The solar eclipse today is an annual eclipse where the moon is so far from the earth that its relative size fails to cover the sun completely and leaves the outer rims visible, thus creating a ring of fire in the sky. The annual solar eclipse started at 9:15 in the morning and was visible till about 3 in the afternoon. According to reports, the maximum eclipse took place at around 12:10 in the afternoon. The eclipse was visible from much of Asia, Africa, the Pacific, the Indian Ocean, parts of Europe, and Australia. There will only be 2 solar eclipses this year. The first was today. The next will take place on December 14, 2020. The next solar eclipse will be a total solar eclipse during which the moon will completely block off the sun's rays and cast a shadow over the earth. The next solar eclipse will be visible from South America, Pacific, Atlantic, and parts of the Indian Ocean, Antarctica, and Africa. An earthquake of 5.1 magnitude hit the northeastern region of India at around 4:16 p.m. today, with Mizoram's Aizawl district as the epicenter. The National Center for Seismology (NCS) confirmed the epicenter was 25 kilometers east-northeast of Aizawl in Mizoram. The quake was recorded at a depth of 35 kilometers. The tremors were felt in the neighboring states of Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, and Mizoram, though no casualty has been reported. Meanwhile, several cities have also been rocked by a series of low-intensity earthquakes, including Delhi, NCR, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, and Gujarat. Indian Council for Cultural Relations (ICCR) Guwahati and Task Force for Music and Arts (TAFMA) in Nagaland observed the World Music Day today by organizing a live concert on Facebook with the theme One Northeast. Teja Meru, advisor TAFMA, informed that the live concert is being organized to convey the message for all artists to unite as a region and to look at the brighter side of life.
Stand by me.
With COVID-19 cases on an upward spike all across the country, including the Northeast, the COVID-19 status of the northeastern states as of 8 p.m. today are: Arunachal's tally stands at 135 positive, 120 active, and 15 recovered. Assam's tally rose to 5,388 with 2,173 active, 3,203 recovered, and 9 deaths. Meghalaya's tally stands at 43 positive, 5 active, and 37 recovered, with 1 death. Manipur's tally rose to 777 positive, 545 active, 232 recovered. Mizoram's tally stands at 141 positive, 132 active, and 9 recovered. Nagaland's tally rose to 211 positive cases, 70 active, 141 recovered. Tripura's tally rose to 1,189 positive, 508 active, 680 recovered, and 1 death. Sikkim's tally stands at 70 positive, 49 active, 21 recovered till date. Total number of COVID-19 cases in the Northeast stands at 7,954 positive, 3,602 active, 4,338 recovered, and 11 deaths as of today. From all of us here at NE8, stay strong and stay safe.